Hey, it's Geojerry with Geojerry's Adventures here, and I am going to tell you my little epilogue to my Planetary pursuit. It was fun. I think that was the best series I've done. I've really enjoyed it. It really got me creatively thinking and stuff, but I didn't get it finished. Thanos ended up stealing the Infinity Gauntlet from me. No, I still have it. So, but I wasn't able to finish. So the best way to finish it was to have Thanos steal the Infinity Gauntlet and be gone with it. And that was it. Why did I not finish? Well, my plan was to finish it. Last day of the challenge, I had 175 points to get. I found a whole bunch of 15-point caches to get, a bunch of 5-pointers, and I was out doing pretty well. And a couple DNFs, but the unexpected happened. The rain stopped. No, that's not the unexpected. It was raining though, which made it not very fun. Well, it made it okay. It made it hard to film, but the unexpected occurred, and it was this. The geocaching.com servers went down. That's right, servers went down. Yeah, that doesn't help my case, does it? Servers go down, I get errors. I don't know where my geocaches are. I tried to find a couple of them just based on memory. Yeah, wasn't very helpful. So that was it. I was like, I'm done. I don't have all day to get geocaches. I got things I got to do. Going to Hamlet tonight. No, not Hamlet. That's Shakespeare. I'm sorry. I'm going to a bigger production. I'm going to go to see, what was that? Hamilton. Yeah, taking my son to go see Hamilton. I'm going to go surprise him. It's going to be amazing. Maybe I'll do a little vlog on that one. Anyway, so I didn't get it done. That's a bummer. I got the Neptune, which is pretty cool. I mean, that was a feat in itself for sure. But all of you that watched, I really do appreciate it. Those of you that gave the really great comments, I really appreciate that too. The question is, what do I have planned for the future? I'm excited. Bunch of different stories. I want to kind of incorporate storytelling into my geocaching, make it a little different, so it's not so much of a vlog. I mean, there'll be a vlog in a sense, but I want to get more stories involved in it. Got some great ideas, and I look forward to it. So anyway, hey, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and look for more of my adventures. And I appreciate y'all following along. This is like super fun. Anyway, dang that Thanos. I can't believe it. I couldn't believe the servers went down. And with that note, I'll leave you guys with this little bit of knowledge. Get out there and enjoy the adventure. Get out there and go geocaching. Or get out there and go see history. Or get out there and go travel around. Do something. And I will say, I will see you on the road. Or I'll see you on the trails. Maybe I'll meet you up if you had a geocache. Who knows? With that, see you all later.